Hello, welcome my dear learners. I hope you are all fine and your families. So today I have brought you a very interesting topic to help you improve your English. And today's topic is about the measurements in English, or how to read the different measurements in English. And just before we proceed, I would like just to give you an idea or the information that we generally use two systems. There are two different systems of measurements. The first system is called the empirical system. The empirical system, which is mainly used in the United States. And for example, just to give you a glimpse about it, since it is not widely used in the world. For example, talking about the length, the measurements used to talk about the length are the inch. For people who interact a lot with Americans, they hear them using the inch, okay? And the inch stands for 2.54 centimeters. Another measurement is the foot. They use also a lot, okay? The foot instead of the meter, or yes, the meter mainly. So the foot also is equivalent to 30.48 centimeters. The third one is the yard. They use also the yard, which is equivalent to 91.44 centimeters. Moving on to the weight. So while talking about the weight, instead of using the kilogram or the gram, they use in the empirical system, which is used in the United States, they use a lot the pound. Okay, the pound, which is equivalent to 370 grams. Moving on to the second system of the measurements, which is called the metric system. The metric system, or the international system of units, which is widely used in the world. And just to show you the difference between the empirical system, which is used only in the United States, and the metric or the international system of units. Taking, for example, the length. In the metric system, the main or the base unit is the meter. Okay, just to show you more units, we have also, or we use also the kilometer, which stands for 1,000 meter, and also the centimeter, which is equivalent to 0.01 meter. Okay, concerning the weight, the unit used in the metric system is the gram. The base unit is the gram. Unlike in the empirical unit, they use the pound. Okay, the gram. So also highlighting more or other units, they use also, or we use also the kilogram, which is equivalent to 1,000 grams. We also use the ton, which is equivalent to 1 million grams. Then we have the area, how to, or what measurement or what units are used to measure the area. And here in the metric system, the main unit used is the square meter. The square meter. Okay, and other units here we have the square kilometer. Square kilometer stands for 1 million square meters. Okay, then we have the hectare. Okay, the hectare, which is equivalent to 10,000 square meter. We have then the which is equivalent to 1,000 square meter. The important aspect that you have to know are the measurements of the different types of energy. Okay, for example, taking the example of all these different types of energy, starting with frequency. So talking about frequency, the main unit used to measure it is called the hertz. The hertz, and the symbol that stands for it is the Hz. Okay, so the hertz is used for frequency. Then we have also the force, and the unit used to measure the force is called the Newton. Okay, Newton, and the symbol or its symbol is the N. We have also energy. How can I measure the energy? Okay, so it is usually used or measured using the joule. The joule, this is the symbol, or the G, okay, or the J. Then we have the pressure, okay, the pressure, and the unit used to measure the pressure is called the Pascal. Okay, the Pascal, and its abbreviation or symbol is the PA. We have also the power, and in order to measure the power, we have to use the watt. Okay, the watt or the W. Okay, the W is the abbreviation that refers to the watt. We have also the electric charge. What unit is used to measure the electric charge? And here we have the coulomb. Okay, the coulomb is used to measure, or as a unit to measure, the electric charge, and the abbreviation of it is the C. We have also here the electric potential difference, and in order to measure the electric potential difference, we use the volt. Okay, our list is a little bit longer as we have other measurements and the units that we use to measure the different types of energy. So continuing with the electric capacitance. So in order to measure the electric capacitance, the main measurement used is called the farad. The farad, and the unit, or its abbreviation is the F. Okay, moving on to the next one, which is the electric resistance. Okay, so you have to make a difference between all these different electric measurements. So electric resistance, the electric resistance, to measure it, we use the ohm. Okay, the ohm, or this symbol. The next one is the electric conductance. Okay, and to measure the electric conductance, the unit that we have is called the Siemens. Okay, the Siemens, which is abbreviated in this S. As we have also the magnetic flux. Okay, the magnetic flux, and we use, okay, to measure it, the Weber. The Weber, or this W. Okay, the symbol, a short symbol that can replace the Weber is just a W. We have also the magnetic induction. The magnetic induction, so in order to measure it, we have, okay, a measurement, a special measurement, or a unit called the Tesla. Okay, the Tesla, according to the electric engineer Nikola Tesla, and the symbol that stands for it is the T. Then we have the inductance. Inductance, so, and its measurement or its unit is the Henry. Okay, called Henry. Okay, Henry, and its abbreviation is the H. We have also the luminous flux, and its unit of measurement is the lumen. Okay, the lumen, and abbreviated as L. And last, okay, the last but not the least, of course, since our list is can be expandable. Okay, We have the illuminance, and the unit, okay, which is used to measure it is called lux, okay, lux, and the symbol or the abbreviation, it can be abbreviated with this L. So this was everything in today's talk. I hope that you have grabbed something beneficial. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you didn't, and share it with friends. See you in more videos. Thank you. Thanks for your time.